triple head solar powered motion activated light for a remote location. We picked up this solar light at one of those big box stores. They had them on sale, and we've got a chicken coop way out back. It's about 250 feet from the house, and I debated about whether to run electricity out there, but it's just a chicken coop, so it seems kind of silly to run power 250 feet out to a chicken coop. So we're gonna try this solar light and see how it works out there. All right, let's cut open the box and see what we got. Instructions, we won't be needing these. Light in bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap in here. This thing's just plug and play, just two components. The solar panel and its cord. The triple-headed light. You can adjust them to point any direction you want. And the motion sensor on the bottom. That's it, just the two parts. No assembly required. Up the ladder we go. First step, drill the holes for the light mount. Just a couple screws hold the light in place. Pretty simple. I'm doing this myself, so I've got to go up and down the ladder one part at a time. Down we go. And we're back up with the light. Yay! It's a 10-foot ladder, so my legs are getting a real workout here today. Hang the bracket from the light onto the screws. Down the ladder for more parts. One thing that is kind of a pain in the rear end on this particular light is the mounting bracket on the solar panel is on like a ball socket joint, so you can tip it any direction you want. But there's no way to get to the screws to mount the thing. So I had to I couldn't figure out how to do it, so I had to take the light apart so that I could put the little bracket up on the coop and then put it back together. Not a big deal, but a couple extra steps. The light assembly with the triple-headed light and the battery and the motion sensor is held on with 2 screws. And the little bitty solar panel is 4 screws. Up and down the ladder again. Helpful hint, have somebody assisting you when you're doing a project like this. Our coop, luckily for us, our coop faces directly south. So we get good sun, and there aren't very many. I cleared the trees and the shrubs from in front of the coop, so it's pretty wide open to the sun, which is nice. And the light, it'll only come on at nighttime, so during the day the motion sensor won't turn the light on, so it charges all day long. And they're LED bulbs, so it's really bright, but they only come on. There's 3 settings, 1 minute, 2 minute, and I think 5 minutes, the longest. This will be really helpful when we come out to the coop at nighttime. And then the solar panel just plugs in with a kind of like a headphone jack. And the light is fully adjustable. Tip it up, down, and the 2 little wings on the side, so you can really point it in whatever direction you'd like to direct the light to. I'm sure I'll have to fine tune it at night. There's the solar panel all hooked up, the wire coming down, plugged in, the light set up, the motion sensor. Up the ladder to do a final adjustment in the dark. And now we've got a solar light on our chicken coop that will turn on automatically with motion at nighttime and light up our coop. Live life doing it yourself.